welcome back. Today we're going to be doing hair install unboxing, and today we're working with RPGSHOW. I'm going to show you guys exactly what comes in this package. This is what comes in the bag. As always, you get a drawstring wig bag to secure and to save your wig when you're done installing or when you want to preserve it. Now, this is a wig we're going to be installing in this video that you might have seen in the intro of this video. I'm gonna put this aside. I'm gonna show you guys the other things, other tools and accessories that comes with this as well. You do get your stocking cap, you get the melting band, you get a card, a thank you card. Look at that. And then you also get their magazine, which I think is cool. Basically, the starter guide for the entire hair wear and hair care. You also get this wig bag as well to preserve your wig. So you do get two storage accessories for your hair. This is going to be the star of the show. I love how it comes packaged. Look at that. Let me take this out, and this, ooh, okay. I like the highlights already. Look at the highlights. Okay, let me show you guys the entire thing. I like the highlights already. Oh, okay. So they sent some, I think these are like tape glues or so. I'm gonna put this aside as well. Now, this cap, I want to show you guys this cap in a bit. This one is their Glueless Fit 2.0 wig cap. I'm gonna put this on and you will see how this wig comes. Let me make sure I'm putting it the right way. So this right here is their Glueless Fit 2.0 cap. It's their wig cap, and this is basically what was used to construct this wig. I'm gonna put this wig on in a minute to show you guys, but I wanted you guys to kind of see this new invention, innovation. With this, you don't need to glue down your wigs. You don't need to use spray, holding spray whatsoever, because this wig cap has been designed to contour to your forehead. That way, there's not going to be any lifting. So that way, you get a real, actual glueless wig. I'm going to take this off. Let me turn to the back so you guys can see what it looks like. This right here is the wig that we are going to be trying on, and look at this. It's the highlight for me. It is so beautiful. The mix of the shades, the mix of the highlights, the low lights, and I'm gonna show you guys what it looks like, what the lace looks like. This is the wig construction. You do have combs inside as well, and you have an elastic band, right? You have combs at the back as well, and we also have this extra lace. I'm gonna go ahead to cut this one off. I always like to show you guys the wig construction as well. This is a 13 by 6 lace front wig. Let's put this on, take this to the center and align it properly. Oh, this is, I don't know how to explain, like it's sitting on my head. Let me move it forward a little bit more. So this is what the wig looks like right out of the box. I like the little highlights details in front. Now, this is a long middle part, wavy, curly bangs, dark brunette, balayage, glueless, fit 2.0 lace front wig. I'm literally reading it from their website. But in summary, what this is a wavy wig with curtain bangs, and it also has that balayage brunette highlights as well. Again, it is a glueless wig, meaning that you don't have to glue it down. You can just put this on and be out the door. Again, this is a frontal, so it's pretty rare to see frontal, you know, glueless wear and go wigs, but this one feels like it will be because it's so snug on my head. Look at, like, no lifting or whatsoever. So I'm gonna just cut off the excess lace. Let me take this all back. So I'm gonna clip this. what we look like. Oh, I love this volume right here. Like, it's giving me 90s hair. Let me just go ahead to brush this. The only problem that I'm gonna have is the two side right here. This side right here and this side right here. But I don't want to use any glue or any spray. I just want you guys to see that you can actually put this on and be out the door, because this area right here is the only part that would show, especially when you're doing like a center part or even a side part, right? You can do a side part and it will still be glueless. I'm going to show you guys what I'm talking about, but I feel like I also need to secure this wig a little bit more. I feel like I don't even need to do much when it comes to like customizing it. I was thinking I would curl this down, but I'm not gonna do that. The thing I'm gonna do is to define the parts. Let me just take a little bit of my wax stick and put this on right here and just go in with my hot comb and do this right there. So I'm gonna finger comb the wig because I feel like I was thinking I was going to curl this unit all over again, but looking at how this looks, I like what this curl pattern looks like. The only thing I'm concerned about is this bang in front. I do want to define it a little bit, right? Let me just take the bangs out. Let me take this one out as well. So to style this, if I want it curved in or like all of the curl pattern that I'm doing, I just know that I want it to kind of swoop. I want it to kind of like swoop. Okay, this is what I want. So I'm gonna try and do this way. Okay, I think we can work with this. I did something here right now. Okay, so I'm excited for this hair already. I'm just going to style it the way that I want to style it and make sure that the highlights are showing right here. This is a curl pattern that came with this unit. I'm not gonna touch it because it looks so gorgeous this way. I love the volume. I'm just gonna finger comb it a little bit just so we get that volume going. I don't want to use any product to weigh it down because I do like the volume of it. This hair is so soft and it's so bouncy. It does come with tinted transparent lace. The hairline has been upgraded and pre-plucked. Look at this. This is giving real scalp. I use no concealer, no powder, nothing whatsoever. This is literally the wig and all the wig. So you have invincible knots and a real scalp look. And also with this, you get an upgraded pre-plucked and pre-bleached hairline. It just looks like they really took their time to do this. The highlight was so beautifully done and everything just screams quality. It makes me feel expensive, it makes me feel put together, and it just makes me feel not so basic because I wear a lot of black wigs. Having this in my collection just makes a lot of difference, right? This, like, show me where the lace is and tell me it is not melted to my skin. But this is the finished look, guys. What do you think about this hair? What are your thoughts? And again, this is their middle part wavy brunette balayage wig with curtain bangs, and this is their Glueless Fit 2.0 wig. This is a new innovation. You don't need to use any glue, any gel to hold it down. This is a lace front wig, and look at this. Like, look at this. Let me do it again. Look at that. put it down, and you are good to go. The only thing I really had to do was to cut off the excess lace and just give the bangs a little bit of like a swoop, and I'm good to go. The units did come curled, so this is the natural curls that came with the units, and this is so beautiful. Thank you so much RPGSHOW for sending me this gorgeous unit, and a happy 18th year anniversary to you. Thanks for continuously making amazing wigs like this. This is too beautiful. I wish you all the best. Thanks for supporting this channel and sending this gorgeous unit. So again, I'll leave all the links to this unit and all the descriptions in the description box. Be sure to check it out if you are interested. Use my promo code to get a discount off your purchase. And yeah, let me know what your thoughts are down in the comment section.
No, I wish I saw what she saw. I wish I knew what she knew. I love how she just don't. But sadly I've outgrown. I know I'm still that girl, but I don't know how to show it. Like she knew, she knew.